Can this coin seriously make you a millionaire and myself a millionaire? Well, in this video, we're going to talk about that, and we're going to find out just exactly how much you need of this particular coin to become a multi-millionaire. Now, guys, I spoke about this coin a little bit in this video yesterday and did a comparison. You need, before you carry on watching this video, I need you to go and watch this video first, then come back and watch this video, because I will explain to you exactly what happened. But I will give you a brief breakdown just before I do that. So, welcome back to the Crypto Bliss Show. I'm Kiara Ducasse. Thank you for being here with me today, you beautiful Cryptopian rock stars. Woohoo! Who's ready? Who's pumping? Who's thumping? Who's rumping? Na 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 da da da. Anyways, guys, as you can see, the beat's up, the vibe's up, the energy's up, and so is this project that I'm going to be speaking to you about now. And, you know, if you watch this video that I did yesterday about it, I basically explained that a lot of people call and say themselves actually believe that they are the #1 fastest layer 1 asset on the crypto exchange within the world in terms of layer 1. And as I mentioned to you guys yesterday, in top layer 1s, of course, Bitcoin is #1, Ethereum #2, BNB #4 or 3, Solana, Cardano, AVAX, etc., etc., etc. And then Say is all the way down. Say should have been. Say is not even on this list, but you know, according to them, it is a layer 1. So I'm going to just leave it at that. I would probably say Say is very likely within the. I mean, let's go look at their. Yeah, don't worry about their market. Their market cap was about 600 billion, so it's around here. It's probably around this kind of area. So very, very interesting to see that. Now, we're not going to be talking about Say today. We're actually going to be talking about Quan. And if you guys watched this video yesterday, hope you did. Smash the thumbs up on the video and this video, please. And basically what I was saying about Quan, and it's ranked 337, Quan platform, Quank's price is the ticker, at 0.04 cents, up 3.1% against USDT, down against BTC and ETH today, on a very small 16,000 people's watch list. And if you previously have seen some of my videos that I have done on Quan and Quan platform, go check it out on my channel. Just come over here and click the search button on my channel for this little search button here and see what that pops up for you. But guys, this is a coin that I've previously expressed that can 52 to 65,000 X your money. Is that for real? No. Yes. No. Nah. But it can make you ultra super rich. Stay tuned to find out exactly how. All right. So first things first, the market cap is currently, call it $90 million. Teeny tiny. Okay. I love the numbers that it has, 3.333 billion, and circulating is about 66% of that already. So most of it is already in circulation. The fully diluted market cap is almost double its actual market cap, its valuation, excuse me, at 131 million. Its trading volume is also about $2.5 million, guys. This is crazy. If you want to go and trade this coin with me, make sure you hit my links down below, okay, just to trade in general. But if you want to go and buy this coin, my suggestion is going to go buy it on Uniswap or Pancake. If you want to go on an exchange, you can buy it on Gate.io, Bitmart. There might be some links down below there for you guys. But come check out their community, their social media. It's a smart contract platform that's built on the Ethereum ecosystem. You can add it to your wallet, etc. up here. That's its website and its Twitter, which we're going to have a look at in a little moment. But, you know, as you guys can see here, if this pumped all the way up to here, which we're up from the all-time low of this coin from January 13th at the beginning of this year, we're already up 33,669%. So I don't know about you, but I've been buying this coin for some time now. I've been averaging in since here, I believe. So I missed this crazy pump, I believe. But, you know, 33,700%, guys. And we're not even all the way at the top there. Okay. We're down 80% from that all-time high, which was at 20 cents, which was in 2021. Okay. So we literally went to zero on this coin. But that's because there was a change in ownership, and basically the project itself migrated over to basically a new platform. So
Now, if you were to buy $10 of this coin, you get 249 coins. If you were to buy $100, you get 2,492 coins. $1,000 will get you 25,000 coins, and $10,000 will get you 250,000 coins. Keep that in mind when I talk to you about why this is literally one of my favorite. I do own this coin. I do own a substantial amount of this coin, and I'm going to continue to dollar cost average into my position as it grows, because right now it's about a 6x away from its all-time high, essentially, which is about 600%, which we'll talk about in a little moment. And then after, what happens after that? This project goes into price discovery, guys. So with that being said, bearing in mind that currently, you know, Bitcoin and Ethereum make up for about just over 1 trillion of that. So, you know, the altcoin market cap is not very big right now, but we are looking with projects like Avalanche, Casper, BNB, Cardano, Solana, AVAX, Polkadot. I mean, come on, guys. These projects are going to be worth hundreds of billions in the future, no doubt about it, because they are each performing something very specific. Now, we'll talk about that in a moment, but come over and check their Twitter page, Quantum Resistant Layer 1 Blockchain. Quantum Resistant Layer 1 Hybrid Blockchain Platform. It's code smart contracts in any language. Quan Private Blockchain is live. So there is a Quan Private Blockchain as well, and we'll talk about that in a little moment. So Quan platform signs 15 million VC deal for its quantum resistant layer 1 blockchain. And that's why yesterday this coin absolutely freaking pumped like crazy, guys. So look at them. They're getting in there with the sheiks of the United Arab Emirates, which is powerful, guys. So let's I'm not going to read all of the stuff to you at the moment, but go read this here for you guys so that you know what Quan is all about. But essentially, I'm just going to read here. IBM Quantum Heron, a utility scale quantum processor, boasts top tier performance metrics and the lowest error rates to date, offering a significant 5-fold improvement in error reduction compared to its predecessor IBM Quantum Eagle. So, you know, I don't know about you guys, but this is a very strong project. And on top of it, Quanks is token burning supply reduction, which means that this coin is actually deflationary. And you can see here, is delighted to share significant development that will have a profound impact on the ecosystem. Our unwavering commitment to innovation and decentralization drives our decisions. So I don't know about you, but this is looking more and more amazing. So Zeely, new tasks on Quan community board. So we can join the community board on Zeely and test your knowledge to earn some weekly rewards. So go and check that one out. If you want, you can come over here, click it out, and, you know, pop it open. So I'm going to check that out myself because I do like this project a lot, and I would love to earn more of these tokens, and I'm about to show you exactly why. So what exactly is Quan, guys? So we'll talk about its market cap in a moment, but where's its website? I had its website open now. All right, never mind. Let's get its website open right here. So Quan is a layer 1 blockchain. It's a quantum layer 1 blockchain, and it's game-changing layer 1 coding in any language that resists quantum attacks. So developers and enterprises can build quantum-resistant smart contracts and Web3 solutions on top of the Quan blockchain platform in any programming language, and on top of it is decentralized. So you guys can see, you can discover Quan platform and the Quant's token. You can check them out on Twitter and Telegram. I've just shown you. You know, they've got lots and lots of things happening here. Quan private blockchain launch event. So we'll talk about the private and that in a moment. But the official blockchain partner of the group Renault brand and Alpine Sports, as you can see, there's the brand here in alliance with Binance, guys. So, you know, if you want to go and learn about Quan platform, come watch this video, or you can come and check on my channel the other videos that I posted, because I have done that before for you guys on the channel. Now, this is the comparison, and the transaction speed absolutely obliterates Say platform, because the private allows for 97,000 transactions per second, whereas Say is only 20,000 transactions per second. So, you know, that's why you see some of the highest power and money coming into Quan. And if you guys are not investing into the space, I mean, guys, if you look there on their Twitter page, I mean, they got this VC, I mean, this funding that they just got was worth 15 million, right? And I'm going to show you the charts now. They only got $15 million into the ecosystem, and currently the ecosystem is worth $89 million. They just got 15 in. That's why it pumped like a ridiculous 20-30%, okay, overnight. Yes, it's dropped again today, but if you compare it to all of these and you put say next to it, this absolutely obliterates all of them from a comparison perspective on these metrics on the ecosystem. So very, very interesting. You know, the market cap's about 90 million. This thing is updated every single day. So come and check it out. And if you look at it, I mean, look at Bitcoin is 860 billion, Ethereum is 271, Cardano is 15 billion, Polkadot 8 billion, and Solana 27 billion. Now, all of these are increasing in their value as well. And we're going to talk some crazy numbers out there just now. So make sure to smash the thumbs up on the video and let's delve right into it, guys. So let's go and have a look at the Morales money bubbles, because we can see BTT is also, I mean, I don't know what's happened with BTT, but it has pumped like crazy. So Quant platform, this we'll come have a look at the numbers now. But if we go and look at the charts and zoom out, we are on the daily right here. And basically, as you can see on the daily, I have pulled the Fibonacci here. But not only that, we are kind of doing this rounding pattern here, which for me, it could end up starting to look like a bit of, you know, with a bit of resistance here, it could end up looking like a cup and handle pattern that it could form. I'm predicting, I'm not saying, but I'm predicting that just like all cryptos, this thing goes parabolic till this point, has a pullback, and then absolutely goes beyond the insanity of price discovery when it happens here. Now, bearing in mind the 618 is around this level here, which as you can see would be a lot of resistance. And I would say that there would be a lot of resistance in between the 618 and 786 over here, as you can see. And that would make perfect sense for me. The MACD is pulling up nicely. The RSI is getting stronger over here with its momentum. We are breaking out of this level, which of course, now I want to go and just zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to remove all of those lines that I drew for you there. Let's get closer in here so that you guys can actually see a little bit what happened on yesterday's news pump. And bearing in mind, you can see the VRVP here. There's absolutely zero like volume here, which means that this goes into price discovery and the price can literally just pump up like crazy. So I don't know about you, but I would not be shy. And what I would like to see is this beautiful red candle, even if it closes there, not a problem. I might have to readjust this line here, this horizontal line, to get that perfection. But I would say that the bottom of this red candle, of today's red candle, would essentially close above that level and confirm that we would want to continue the breakout to the upside. So, you know, at the moment, this is looking parabolic, and just like most things, it is looking parabolic. So if I have to go and fetch my curve here, all right, let's take it from there and let's draw this like this. I mean, look at that, guys. This is a parabolic curve right up to the moon up here. And if we have a zoom out there, that's exactly what I was saying. And if you look at that very, very nicely, I mean, you could pull this angle up there, you could pull it in ever so slightly. And essentially what you could do is you could see how that parabola ends up looking like that, which essentially ends up being the cup and handle pattern. So, you know, this is very, very juicy for me. I have been in this project, as I say, for some time. I actually got in this project around this level here. Yeah, I started buying it over here. No, where did I bought my first batch over here. Yeah, over here. And as you can see, that's where the drop down was. And ever since that basically that drop down and then that pump up, we have now done 3,381%. And we are not even at the all-time highs, and nor are we at price discovery levels. If I have to take you up to the 618, the 618 would basically give us a 20,000 return. Up to the 786 would give us a 25,000% return, and up to the top would be a 32,000% return. Now, guys, I want to give you a crazy bit of action here. Have a look at the 2.618, would take us up to about 45 cents, giving us a 136% gain, which is a 1,300x gain on this coin. Okay. Now, could it reach there? Could it do it in this cycle? I believe so. Let's go and have a look at the coin perspective here. And if we had to say that this had to hit a 45 cents, this would be a $1 billion market cap. Now, $1 billion market cap is still very, very small for a layer one, okay, that literally kicks the asses of the majority of the market cap in the entire crypto space, right? These are the biggest players, literally the biggest players, as I showed you in layer one. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Cardano, Polkadot. These are all the top players within the layer one space. Now, if you guys can see that, and you guys can see what it is that I'm actually sharing with you here, this project, just to go get to there from where it is right now, would be a 10x, okay? But I believe that this coin, okay, would absolutely pump way higher than this. And I believe that we could see a $100 billion market cap on this coin quite easily in this bull cycle. I believe it, especially considering that we're only getting started in the bull cycle. And look at this, Solana's 26 billion. If I have to click on Solana and go look at its all-time high and where it was once upon a time, in comparison to where it is today, it's still very, very low down, okay? Its all-time high in market cap went all the way up here to about 77 billion. So call it $80 billion. Why would Coin not be able to do that if it literally obliterates the entire speed of Solana by like 50x, okay? And say by 5x. So for me, not a lot of people know about this platform, and I wish more of you knew about it. So I would like you guys to please share this video as far and wide with as many people as possible, because if you guys want massive, crazy gains in your life, this is one of the very few projects that you can possibly get a 10,000x on this coin. Now let's go and see what a 10,000x on this coin would look like. And essentially, as you can see there, that's a $1 billion market cap. Okay, so let's say a $10 billion market cap. A $10 billion market cap would take us up to $4.41, which would be our 108x. I said $100 billion, okay? $100 billion would give us a $44.10 on this price, and it would give us about a 1,086x, okay, on your money. Meaning, if you had to invest $100, okay, I'm going to give you a calculator so that you guys can actually look at it, so you don't just think I'm making numbers out of nowhere. You have to take $100 and you have to times your $100 by 1,086. Your little $100 would now be worth $108,600. So if you want to know how to become a millionaire, okay, you very, very likely will have to invest at least $1,000 into this coin. And that $1,000 would give you about 25,000 coins. Okay, now bearing in mind, I got in a little bit earlier, so maybe my $100 will make me a millionaire with my $100. Okay, when I was doing my calculations, it was around that level. But now, if I show you this and I say to you, okay, cool, that's 1,086x. What happens if I say to you that this could very likely even hit a $300 billion market cap, giving us a $132 coin price, giving us a 3,261x price. And this would probably be at the all-time high of this coin and the high of the bull cycle and the altcoin cycle, guys. So if you had to take your $100 and times it by 3,261, that will give you $326,100 from $100, guys. You've literally made $326,000 profit. This is what I mean when I say this to you guys, that patience is an actual virtue. And if you were patient enough to wait for this, if you times this by 3, okay, so if you invested $300 and you waited for it to get to a $300 billion market cap, you're almost a millionaire. So cool, invest $350, okay? You see what I'm saying? It's quite easy to understand that at these prices, coin is not a joke. You can see that at a small $300 billion market cap, especially for layer ones, and if you've been watching my videos, I have a video coming out at 4 o'clock. Make sure to watch that video. This, I'll leave it up in the pinned in the comments for you. But if you guys are watching that video, you guys need to know that with Quan, okay, hitting these kinds of $300 billion market cap prices could be very, very possible, okay? Especially considering we could end up with about 15 to 20 trillion dollars in the market cap value at some point. 300 billion out of the market cap when it currently has a market cap dominance of only 0.005%. Barely anybody knows about it, with 16,000 people on the watch list, guys. This coin will give you insane gains. And one day in the future, if this coin continues to walk its roadmap and fulfill the journey of what it says it's going to do on its roadmap, guys, I actually believe that this coin could actually get to a $1 trillion level, giving us a 10,872x or a $441 price here. What the epic. Now, I'm not saying that that's in the next 1 or 2 bull cycles, maybe 2 or 3. I don't know. I'm not a predictor like that, but it's not impossible for it to do something like that at some point, especially when we even surpass the $200 trillion levels in market cap of crypto. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe using my links down below. Do you guys own Quan? I want to know from my Quan community, do you guys own Quan? Hopefully, to my Quan community, I'll be able to share this video on Telegram as well. I would love to do that, just because there are absolutely incredible things that you can come over here and watch in this channel. Thank you for being here. Truly blessed to have you all, my Crypto Bliss community. Much love. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and let's go. Let's get some Quan.